This is the Citroen Xsara Picasso from year 2000, and I will talk about the right stick, which is for the windshield wipers, front wiper and the rear wiper. To use it, I should turn the wheel. Okay, now it's locked. So take it out from gear, turn the key. Okay, and start the engine. Okay, and brake is pulled. And now we can see the right stick, this one, and let's analyze it. So if I want to clean the windshield just once, then I have to pull it down. So by pulling it down by pulling it down once, it will wipe just once again. So simply pull it down and one single wipe was done. One single wipe. Okay, so the next one, if I pull it up, then it will wipe once and it will stop for a few seconds, and then automatically it will wipe again and stop again. So this one is wiping with pauses. So press it up once. As you can see, it is automatically doing its job. Now it's pausing. Now it's wiping again. Now it's staying. It's stopped again. So this is doing the job automatically, but is not continuous. Okay, the next one, that one I pushed it up once. This one is continuously wiping, and that's the first speed. And we have another one, push it up once again, and that's even faster. Of course the windshield is not wet, so we should stop it. So that was the fastest one. That's the slowest one, continuous. That's the one which is stopping and then it's continuing automatically. It is doing its job. Okay, and down it is completely stopped. Okay, so we just moved it up and down. That's one thing. Now if I pull it towards me, that is push it this way towards me, then it will wipe a few times and it will also put that water jet on the windshield. So okay, no water jet. I have to hold it a little bit more. See, that was the water jet, two here and two there. It's wiping a few times and it's stopping automatically. So once again, hold it towards you. As long as you hold it, it is squirting that jet. I'm holding, it's wetting the windshield. Okay, and after a few wipes it stops. So that was only the front windshield wiper. Then we have one in the back, and that one is started by this one. So we have to rotate this ring. The first one is simply wiping. So currently this arm is not doing anything, but if I move it there, then it is wiping the rear window with pauses. So now it's paused, it's on that first setting, and it's wiping but is keeping pauses also. As you can see, it's working and is stopping. The next one is spring loaded, and if I move it up, so the white dot will be there, then the water jet will come on. So now it's squirting, now it's not squirting. So just like that, and it will jump back. So let's preview it. Oh, we can see it here also. See that jet there in the middle? Okay, let's see it once again. Okay, and to completely stop it, you have to pull it down to the 0, otherwise it will continuously wipe with pauses. It will wipe, and that's it. As we can see, the liquid is still pouring down, so we should wipe it, let's say just once. Push it down. Once again. And that's it. That's the front and rear wiper on the Citroen Xsara Picasso. There is this element here. That's not for the wiper, that is for the computer. So if I press it, it will show different things. Overspeed warning inactive. 250 kilometers till the next refueling. I'm not sure what's that. That's the fuel consumption, 5.6 liters. That's the instant fuel consumption. So this one is not for the windshield wiper. If I stop the engine, nothing is working. The windshield is not cleaned. Either started or just till the LEDs are on, and then it's working. So either start the engine or just put the key before the ignition. If it's completely off, then it's not doing anything.